All right, hey everybody, Pack a Day back again, and today I found a hobby box of 2019 Gypsy Queen for a very reasonable price, and noticed this little 3-card box loader pack when I opened it up, and I don't think I've ever seen Gypsy Queen chrome cards before, so I thought today we'd check them out and see what they look like. All right, first up we got Jose Altuve. Very nice. Yeah, those are beautiful cards. Wow. I'm pretty sure I've never seen the Gypsy Queen chromes. All right, next up we got Matt Chapman for Oakland. And it looks like we got a refractor here for Chris Archer, Pittsburgh. It's numbered. It is 39 of 50. Yeah, I really like these in chrome. Wow. I wish you could just buy these. All right. Thank you everyone for checking out my video. I appreciate it. If you have not subscribed, please do. I put up a new video every single day. Thanks a lot.